gumarin niya. Isa pa yan.
If you were elected president, name the most important change you'd make in our country.
Okay, first and foremost, the education. Education is the best foundation in our nation. Without education, you are nothing in this world. That's the honest.
Sorry! Tema yan! Mama! Are you here?
At what age do you feel that you are a baby?
Okay, the question is great. In what age do I know that I am a baby? Ladies and gentlemen, after all those papers, sometimes we didn't know if you're a baby or not. But for me, in my experience, I believe that I was a baby when I was a great thing. Why do I say so, ladies and gentlemen? Because I see it in my heart that I have the heart of a woman, that I love a guy. But it's not a matter of loving, ladies and gentlemen, because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, all of us gays are equal in this world. As they say, ladies and gentlemen, there is a law on the Philippines which fights for our rights to be. And that is, in the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Bill of Rights, Section 1, states that no man should be deprived of life, liberty, and property without any due process of the law. Neither shall any other person be denied the equal property of the law. So, ladies and gentlemen, even though we are gay, we are homosexual, and we are abnormal in your eyes. Definitely, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we have the dignity to fight for our rights as homosexuals. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, whether you be a man, a woman, or a homosexual, the fact that we are all created by God. Therefore, we are all worthy of love as we stand in this. Thank you.